Are you wanting to get a girl's attention and you're not really sure where to start? Well, did you know that according to science, there are things that you can do to naturally gain her attention? You might even find that you already do some of these things, from impressing her with your style to actually being a sensitive guy. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the 17 tricks that will help you to get her attention. I hope you're ready. This is going to be a fun video. Like and subscribe. Number 1, impress her with your style. When you look good, people are going to notice, especially the ladies. Having a great sense of style is important. If you want to be grabbing someone's attention, you don't need to be wearing or designer clothes though. Just having a great style can be very simple. You just need to have the basics down, like having a nice pair of jeans, a nice shirt, and some nice shoes. The other important thing to remember is that you need to replace the items in your wardrobe every year or so when is needed, and also keep them clean and fresh. Even if you wash all of your clothes, they do lose their colour and start to look old eventually. And if you struggle with knowing what to wear or what looks good on you, ask your friends or someone in a shop to help you out. Number 2, make your lifestyle as exciting as possible. Build a life that you are proud of, and girls will most definitely want to be a part of it. If you travel a lot, have a great job, or just have friends that you love to spend time with, these things really attract the attention of the ladies. They love it when a guy has a great life without her because she gets to join in and enjoy it as well. Focus on building up your life and any girl would be happy to join it. Now, an exciting lifestyle is going to be unique for you. You do something that gives you that adrenaline rush and gets those endorphins pumping around the body. I'm not telling you that every Tuesday you need to go and do a bungee jumping class. I'm merely saying do something that's different to the average work situation. If you work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, why not find something exciting to do on a Tuesday afternoon? Even if it's just an art painting class, this is something different to the other guys that is going to make you more attractive. Smell nice. That's right. Scientific research shows that we are often subconsciously attracted to our partner's smell, and that's why we pick them. It's partly what they choose to smell like, which is when they use things like aftershave or fabric softener. The other part is our natural scent and pheromones. We naturally smell this way, so we can't really change it. However, we can make it more noticeable. If we don't wash and practice basic hygiene, then we do start to smell, body odor instead of our natural sexy smell, and no one finds body odor attractive. In fact, it's very much the opposite. So picking the right aftershave and keeping clean is very important if you want to get a girl's attention. Stand out from the crowd and make your presence known. This doesn't mean you have to yell or talk over everyone. It's as simple as being confident. Because when you are confident, you have a natural presence around you, and girls most definitely pick up on this. Try some reverse psychology. If you come on too strong, you risk losing the chance to grab a girl's attention because she gets freaked out. The less attention you give her, the more she will want you. Of course, you should not be ignoring her or being rude, but by being a little bit more casual, this lets her make the first move instead, and it would leave her wanting much more of you. Always take good care of yourself. You need to be looking after yourself so that you can impress ladies and grab their attention. Plenty of other guys will be looking after themselves, and so you need to make sure that you are doing the same. You need to look after your skin, work out, and eat well, while also making sure you deal with your own emotions in a healthy way. It isn't always easy to take care of yourself, but it's important if you want to get a girl's attention. Make her laugh. Girls love to laugh, and they especially love it when a guy makes them laugh. If you can make her laugh, well, you've definitely grabbed her attention. Try to be effortless. Don't try too hard, and take a step back, relax, and be as effortless as you can. Some ways in which you can look effortless is dressing nicely. It makes it look like you really care about how you dress. Have conversation topics at the ready so that you don't have those awkward silences during a conversation. Be funny and try to not let her see that you are too nervous. Girls find this way more attractive, and they are more likely to start paying attention to you. Give her some attention. If you want her attention, give her some of yours. That does not mean to chase her or to become too clingy, but showing a girl some attention shows that you are interested. When you show her attention, it makes her think, maybe he likes me, which is when she will start paying you some more attention. Always be a gentleman. Don't fall into the trap of trying to act cool instead of being more gentleman-like. Always be polite, open doors for her, and don't make sexual jokes, specifically if you've just met. Be protective of her. Girls adore it when guys protect them. It mirrors the relationship that they had with their fathers. So if you have a chance to protect her, then you should. It can be as simple as walking on the roadside to protect the lady that you are with from cars or getting splashed. She will pick up on the fact that you are protecting her. Be sensitive. Guys are not always good at being sensitive, so if you would like to gain her attention, this is a great way to do it. Ask her about her feelings by asking questions like, so how was your day today and how are you feeling? She will love that you are checking in on her as it shows that you are caring. It's not a one-way street though. You need to talk to her about your feelings as well, so open up and be honest about how you feel. Tell her something personal or just say, today I had a tough day. It shows that you are willing and you are comfortable to be vulnerable, which is something girls really like in a guy. Tease her sometimes. Girls love it when they can have fun with guys, and a great way to create some fun is a bit of teasing. If she drops something, you could tease her about being clumsy, and she's gonna love this playfulness. Show her your skills. Are you great at sports, or do you have some great gaming skills? Invite the girls whose attention you are trying to gain to your games, or show her what you are great at. Your passion will naturally come through, and girls will find this incredibly attractive. Plus, if you are showing her what you are good at when she is paying you attention, it's a win-win. Stand out from the other guys. Probably the most important tip of today's video. We are naturally drawn to people who are a little bit different, who have something special and unique about them. So think to yourself, how can I stand out from the other guys that I know? What can I do differently? Being able to stand out from the other guys will definitely gain you more attention for the girl that you are trying to impress. Spend less time talking and more time doing. There is a huge difference between talking about something and actually doing it. You don't want to be the person who only talks about doing something, you want to be the person who does it as well. It's more impressive and girls will love to see the results of your hard work. Be as confident as possible. When you display confidence, you show off your best skill, which is why when you are as confident as you possibly can be, the ladies are naturally drawn to you. If you have had issues with being confident, you need to start by talking to yourself in front of a mirror. Tell yourself all the things that you like about yourself and do this every couple of days, and I promise you, your confidence will most definitely grow. There you go, we've reached the end of the video. I really hope this video helped. Leave your comments down below if you feel I've missed something from today's video. And one more thing, if you want to get your name rolling up like these people's names just here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day, like and subscribe. See you soon.